lights. Not really feeling like doing all of my paper routes. Unfortunately, just not feeling it right now because I'm having enough trouble just even seeing the road. Though it is getting a little bit better. I don't know. Maybe by the time I actually get out to delivering, it won't be this bad. I could actually kind of see the road now, so that's nice. A minute there, I couldn't even see the road. Even at like 30 miles an hour, I still couldn't see the fucking road. I can kind of see the road. There we go. I think it's starting to actually clear up a little bit. I couldn't even go 50 before. I couldn't even see the fucking road. I can kind of see the road. I can kind of see the road, I think. No, well, it's hard to stay in my lane when everyone else's tire tracks aren't staying in their lane. I think I'm on the left side of the road. Possibly. I'm just trying to follow the... Yeah, okay. We're not sure. I'm not sure where the road is. Somewhere around here. Right here? Feels like it. Yeah, the little bumps. Yeah, there's the road. Okay. The little bumps are always on the side of the roads, and sometimes in the middle, actually middle divider lane, so I could be just driving up and down the middle divider lane. It's true. You know, this is a long, straight road, but it's hard to know if I'm actually going straight or not. It's starting to crap up a little bit. Okay. Remember any turns in this area? It's new, you know. I thought it's just a big, flat, straight road, but yeah, a lot of things get curvy in snow. That's for sure. Hey, snow truck. How you doing there, buddy? Doing a good job. Good job you're doing. Yeah, it's a lot of jobs that are unappreciated out there. Snowplow trucks, they're not appreciated until, well, they're actually seen doing their job, and then we appreciate them, right? It's like people who work for the city and they clean up the side of the road. A lot of people wouldn't appreciate them. Well, that's because you never actually looked at the side of the road and seen how freaking messy it is. We all got our job, you know? And sometimes you can just feel unappreciated. I got a customer, they were like telling me I haven't delivered them in 2 days, and I'm kind of like, what? No, I'm pretty sure I delivered you the last 2 days. I don't know if they're being dramatic. I don't know if I maybe forgot them. I'm not sure, but I'll try again today. I definitely can get that little section done. It's just the rest of it I'm not sure about. I seem to have already messed up one car. I don't really want to mess up another. I might as well just do what I can and go home and just accept that. And it's not what I want to do. It's just, I don't really feel too committed to keep going through this. Okay, that's the other side of the road. I want to get back on this side. Okay, well, I don't know where the road is. Well, I guess this is where where I'm driving for now. Yeah, that looks like a side of a road. Definitely don't want to go into the side of the road. And this side's plowed. I just should drive where it's plowed. That must be the side of the road. Night vision goggles would be good right about now. I think night vision goggles would help. Yeah, maybe. Maybe flare-ups for all the lights though and everything. Oh! Our winter's not even over yet. It's like we don't really get a lot of snow until after Christmas. January, February, March, April is when we really have our winter. It used to be, we used to get a deep amount of snow on winter, but it's just climate's changed over the years. And I'm not saying man-made, I'm just saying the planet has a cycle, you know? Like back when I was a little kid, it was snowing bad and it was flooding bad, and then it got all dry, and I'm pretty sure we're going to go back to that type of really floody type of environment. It's just, is it what, every 20 years, every 30 years, every 40 years, every 50 years? Hard to say, you know? It's a cycle, though. Oh, it's so much easier to drive with the lights on the side of the road. You can really drive a lot faster. It's like I kind of wish we had lights like that all up and down the roads, because it's just, you can go faster because you can actually see. Though I do agree that it probably costs money. And how are you going to pay for electricity? I guess solar powered would work. Even with the snowstorms, the solar would still work. Maybe not every light would work, but the majority of them would work. And there's a job for someone to go around replacing batteries. See? And I guess you could have a robot do it eventually. But, I mean, there's still plenty of jobs out there. Yeah, the service, slave class, we tend to do the most dangerous stuff. We can't expect the higher level people to be doing stuff like this. It's just asking too much of them, you know. We got to be the hardcore ones to push through the storm to get the job done. Understandable. We're the grunts. We are the disposable. And sure, you can replace this with a grown robot. It's more expensive up front, but I am so tired of winter. I'm just trying to ignore the fact that it's winter right now. Because I'm not interested. I'm just not interested. I didn't even want to deal with the paper route this winter. I was hoping they'd fire me, but I just don't want to give up the money, you know? It's not even that good of money. It's not even worth it. Yeah, that's nice. You want raw? Raw? What do you want? Raw? It's like, what you want? What you want? You good? You happy? You having a good time? I hope the papers are ready. I mean, yeah, it was shitty driving in, but I just don't want to drive through anything even deeper than this. I mean, I could. It's just, god dang it. I don't want to do my job right now. I just kind of want to do the bare minimum and go home. I mean, this job pays twice as much as my other job. Why it pays twice as much as the other job, because you gotta deal with shit like this. Oh, hi slow people, how are you? I'm not really going that much over the speed limit. Okay, now I'm not even going over the speed limit. Okay, well now technically I'm going over the speed limit. Whatever. It's all good. Well, I'm almost to my destination. People mostly speed when they're almost at their destination. That's usually when people speed. Oh. I gotta find this turn lane. And I don't know if there is a turn lane or not, but I guess I'm not using it. Yeah, there is no turn lane. It's buried in snow. Oh, this hasn't even been plowed yet. Awesome. Cool. I'm making my own tire tracks. Bullshit. Oh, I hope I can just grab my papers and leave. I hope I don't have to sit here and fuck around with other people. I just want to get my papers and go. Can I do that? Can I do that? Can I just get my papers and go? Oh, I'm not turning. Turn, please. Thank you. Asked you for so much. Just asked you to turn. See ya, Ra. Did the papers ready? Are the papers ready? Are the papers ready? Yay. Hey. Looks like they are. I think it's Saturday, technically. I don't think it's Sunday. Alright. They ready? All right there? Okay. This one's told her not to come, I suppose. Okay, can you get in and go in the back? In the back, in the back, in the back, in the back. Thank you. See you next time. Have an insert of some type. Okay. This is just wait. Up we go into the wild blue yonder. Oh yeah. We had an insert today. That's true. It's very true. I remember now. Don't know that logo. Well, maybe it's familiar, but. Right. Saying left as I'm going right. I would have gotten here before everyone else, but you know, I had to do my first job. Sorry. When you're ready to go forward, anytime. Please, no more curbs. I hate curbs. Curbs suck. You know, it's like they create curbs just to destroy cars, you know? It's like you can make a curb that didn't destroy a car, but then it defeats the purpose of a curb, I suppose, because a curb's just meant to destroy a car. What are curbs there for? Destroy someone else's shit. Fucking curbs. There's no need for the curbs to be a fucking half-foot, fucking solid goddamn fucking beam on the side of the road. It's just no need for that, you know? It could be a rounded curb, you know? That'd be a little better if you fucking hit it. Well, you know, life goes on. Probably get back on the road and everyone would be happy, but no, they make curbs so that they destroy your fucking car. Because they're assholes. Yeah. That's why they make curbs like that. Just to fucking destroy your car. The only purpose. The only reason. Hey truckers, how you doing? You good? You good? You're good. Yeah. Have a nice day, buddy. Well, don't speed up just because the Honda Accord passed you, okay? Jesus. Leave me alone. Just trying to go down the road. I'm not even going the speed limit. Let's go the fucking speed limit at least. There we go. See, just go on the speed limit, alright? Chill the fuck out. Damn paper's folded. Definitely gonna have to double bag, so might as well get the first bag done and then double bag as needed. Tractor. for no goddamn fucking reason at all. That's what I fucking hate about you motherfuckers. Fucking goddamn lights and storms. They never fucking work right. Can we go? Can we go? Can we go? God damn it. This is why I didn't want to come to a stop. Yeah, this is going to be bad driving home. I ain't going to be able to pull papers on the second trip up, that's for sure. I don't know, maybe it's improved a bit. I don't know if I'm doing my other section. It may just be too deep for me to even do it. I mean, it's like, if I'm trying to plow my own way, I'm just going to fail. I've done that before. I've done it before. Even with chains, I'm going to fail. Studded snow tires might work, but I've never had an opportunity to use those. As this shit is just, it's usually just a day or two. And then it's warm, and then another couple days or two, and then it's warm. Fucking bullshit. Fucked up my other car, no point in putting any tires on that thing. Damn it. I don't know what I fucked up on it. Probably lower control arm. Probably what's fucked up on it now. One curb, that's all it took. I suppose I got maybe $1,000, almost $1,000 I could give the pick and pull. Maybe I should just do that. Be like, pick and pull. Want it, come get it. Okay, it's money, money. Sexy, beautiful women and food. Not a perfect cover for an old man. I gotta say, if I was bitching about last week, this week's been even shittier. The fucking cars breaking down. Fucking bullshit. Still got no goddamn garage, so it's not like I can work on it. I don't want to work on my fucking cars in the middle of a snowstorm. Not like I got the time up. You know what? I gotta bite the bullet, and I can't quit my pizza route. I'd have to quit the paper route. I don't want to quit the paper route, but fuck this shit. I'm tired of dealing with this job. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of, just the constant worry and the fear and the risk. I'm just fucking tired of it. And not the cops, it's always fucking something else. You never fucking, it's like only, I always gotta have some type of bullshit in my fucking life. Which is half the reason I was thinking of even fucking joining a fucking group that's constantly under attack. Dude, my fucking life's a goddamn battlefield! Already, it's like I might as well just be in the fucking front lines, you know? Politically, verbally, non-violently. I don't like violence. I'm just not a fan of violence. Never have, never will. Will I let someone whoop my ass? No, I will not roll over and pee myself. I'll die to the end. I'll fight to the end. That's true. I'll die, but whatever. I'd rather die physically than die spiritually. It's just not worth it to me. I mean, physical death is horrible. Yes, it sucks. Yes, but in truth, it's not that bad. But that's only because I believe in reincarnation. So, but hey, if there is nothing after this and you just disappear and that's the end of you, well, there's no suffering if you don't exist. would say I always was more interested in just not suffering. That's all I really wanted in life. I didn't want to be famous. I didn't really care to be rich. Like, I'm not after riches. It's not what I'm after. I'm after happiness. And it's just the money buys the things that I like to make stuff out of. So it's like... I'm still trying to save up for an RV. I'm not making much progress, but the universe heard me this month, and as long as I think as long as I keep up with the deal, I might make money a little faster. Okay, I don't... What's going on here? What the fuck? What the fuck was that? I don't know what the fuck that was. That was fucking weird. The road just went all types of goofy on me. That's not how the road was supposed to be. Ooh. Man, you snowplow people, you got an important job. You got a very important job. Do your fucking job. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Pardon me. You turned around right there. That really fucked me up. Okay, there's the road. I mean, if I could see the road, it would help, but whatever. I don't think that's helping me, but sure. Okay, fine. Well, I can almost go 55. You can kind of see the road. Sure, maybe I'm weaving all over the place, but there's no one else around me, so fuck them. God damn it, I just don't want to do this job. I just wanted to go home. Well, I guess I don't mind doing the job as long as I get it done quickly, but man, I just don't want to be out here for a long period of time. I guess I just don't, I'm not a fair weather paper boy anymore, because this bad weather's just, it's so hard. It takes so much energy, it takes so much stress, and then all I get in the morning is like, yeah, sure, some people are really grateful and they appreciate it, but then it's just those others that always are nitpicking. I didn't get my paper's way, well, why can't you do your job right? And it's just like, fuck it, you know? You just really don't want to do it anymore, and it's not like it's all of them. No, it's just like a few, in truth. And honest to God, I swear to God, it's only like 3 or 4 or 5, maybe even 10 at most that make me not want to do this job. And the other 100 I like. Because either they don't say anything, or if, when they do ask, they just ask, like, hey, you know, well, I know there's bad weather, so I assumed that there was an issue. No, this last one. I swear to God, I delivered you your paper. Where the fuck is the road? Right there. I swear I delivered you a paper. You always telling me I didn't deliver you a paper. I just don't believe that shit. I just don't believe it. We didn't have, I don't think we haven't normally had problems. It's just every now and then. But then lately it's been all the time, and it's making me wonder if you got the dementored. Because if you got dementored, there's nothing I can do to help you. Where's the road? Well, I'm just going to stay here because this is plowed. Just somewhat like, kind of like a way of knowing where the road is. I see it sometimes. I'll go and I'll be delivering late, and I'll see the notes like, this is the front door. They leave little notes for themselves, helping them to remember what their gate code is. So they put a little sticky note with their gate code on it. Maybe someone else was coming in that day, but that could be too. They do some weird shit. They got their mansions, man. They live in beautiful homes. I'll give them that. And you know, they may not have much money anymore, in truth, or maybe they just got enough to survive. It's hard to say. Road. I want to know where the road is. Where's the fucking road? There it is. I think I see it right there. Yeah, kind of, sort of. I feel like I'm just all over the fucking road, but there's really not much road to drive on anymore. But apparently the only road there is where the one snow trucks come through. Thank you, perfect timing. We waved at you as you went in the opposite direction a few minutes back in the video. Thanks for giving me a way back into town, because I suppose driving through this shit without you would have kind of sucked. But you're going slow enough to where you can actually even see where the fucking road is, which I'm sure is kind of the hardest part about that job. You driving very slowly and everyone's trying to pass you. You probably see a few accidents too on your way. Oh yeah, there was this, I remember this one news article that happened up in Tahoe. And they were clearing the road of snow, and it was like, I don't know, like 16, 17, almost 20 feet of snow. And as they're clearing the road of snow, they suddenly realize that there's a car buried in the fucking side of the road. They had to dig out their car, and nobody was in it. Everything was fine. They didn't know what it was about, but yeah, someone abandoned their car, and it got buried in like fucking, I don't know, 8, 10 feet of snow. They couldn't even see the car until they started cutting the walls out. Oh yeah, these desert, oh hi. There's no way I just caught up to you. There's no way this is the same plow. This cannot be the same plow truck. There's no way. There's no way this is the same plow. This can't be. This must be a second plow. There's no way this is the first plow truck. Hi buddy, I'm catching up to you. This can't be the same fucking one. This just can't be. There's no way. I mean, even if you're going 25, there's just no way. Because this is before even where I said, there's no way this is the same plow truck. I don't believe it. Well, okay, I guess you could see the road perfectly fine if you're going 30. 30? Are we even going 30? Man, you haven't go slow. Just saying, you're going that slow, and it's still not even fucking clearing it. Holy shit, man! Balls to you. I'm sorry I even talk shit about you. I am. I'm truly sorry. I tried to talk shit about. I talk shit about everyone. I'm a bit bitchy. Sorry. Instead of being violent, I became bitchy. I'm blaming it on all the women that fucking influenced me throughout my entire life. What about the men? What men? Harrison Ford? That's my hero. Until What Lies Beneath. That made me look at Harrison Ford in a whole different way. It really did. It just kind of made me not like Harrison Ford. Because now every time I see Harrison Ford, I think of What Lies Beneath, and I'm like, oh, buddy, why did you have to play that role? You're the childhood hero. Now you're a creepy killer. And he did, oh my God, though. I mean, him and What Lies Beneath, he just so heroic. Even though he's the murderer, he's still fucking heroic. Oh, horrible. And he plays that Harrison Ford role so good. And then I saw him again. Yeah, that's right. I saw him again in like their retake at Indiana Jones again. And he's like, oh, I'm too old for this. The whole time through the movie, he's like, I'm too old for this. I still enjoyed it, not because it was all that great, but just because it had Harrison Ford in it. I swear to God, that's the only reason I like that movie. Oh, Indiana Jones. Yeah. Oh, Berg. Snowberg. On my way, you Snowberg. No, I'm not talking about the plow truck. Oh, look at that. Look at that wake. I wonder if you guys can see that wake of snow. It is just... You know what? This is why I absolutely love... I love living in Nevada. I don't want to leave Nevada. My goddamn state. I love this fucking state. We got the extreme heat. We got the extreme cold. We got the extreme fucking everything. I love Nevada. That's why it's like, I guess if I try to open up my own franchise, Extreme Pizzas would probably be top of my list. Because we are Nevada. We got the fucking temperature. We got the shit. We got a short grow season. We got harsh climates. You want to be hardcore and live, you go here. And if you want, after you master living here, you can go ahead and head up to Alaska. Oh, fuck Alaska. No. I don't like Alaska. I don't like Canada. I'm good. No, fuck them two places. Why? Grizzly bears. Fuck anything that's gonna just fucking maul me just to fuck around with me and not even eat me afterwards. Be like, you're not even worth eating. I'm just gonna slowly fucking kill you until you're dead. I'm gonna make sure you're dead, and if you move, I'm gonna kill you some more. Fuck them things. And that motherfucker, I'm fighting that motherfucker to the death. He's probably gonna win too. Ooh. I like our little black bears, our little black/brown bears. Them so cute. You know, you come out and you yell at them, yeah, fuck out of here, and they run away like little bitches. I like our bears. Our bears are cool. Our bears are really cool. You know, if you ever stand there and you just talk to a bear for a minute, you may get to know that they're not that much different than us. Bears and humans have been getting along. Bears and humans have been coexisting for a long time. Because, you know, we both like the caves, and we both lived in caves, and so it's like a human and a bear running into each other in a cave is not really all that special, you know. I mean, it's happened multiple times, and as long as both parties aren't too mad at each other, maybe they can pass each other in peace. Bears are pretty peaceful creatures. Well, I mean, our bears are. Them fucking grizzly bears, no. Sure, they eat meat, but they eat like fucking scavengers. They're not really hunters, unless it's called fishing, and then yeah, they love the fish, right? Like, I don't dislike bears for no good reasons. Polar bears are your extreme survivalist bears, you know. And you know, you gotta accept the fact that cannibalism happens in extreme cases, my friends. Just saying. It happened here. It was called the Donner Party. It was some of the early explorers. They ended up eating each other just to survive. It takes a lot to survive sometimes. That's the fucked up thing about life, is life can get real shitty real fucking fast. And all it takes is society to turn off. And the world changes dramatically. It really does. I do hope that we can all learn to love each other, accept one another, peace, love, and harmony. But in all truth, I don't know if y'all can do that. I want to believe. I want to hope. But you best believe in, if I'm in that ring of survival, I'm going to do what it takes to survive. Because it's nothing new to me. It's been my entire life. Oh. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. You have a great day. Thank you for getting me into town. Blessed be your soul. Do I even want to do my first job? Well, I mean, getting home is probably not going to happen. Hi, truckers. How are you? Are you just going to take a nap? Huh? Is that what you're going to do? You're going to just try to take a fucking nap? I'm okay. I'm okay. Fine. Tell me I'm not okay. Damn it. Didn't need them anymore anyways. Oh yeah, back to survival. See, I would prefer to survive with others, but I've always been kind of a loner. And I think in the aspect of being a loner, I'm more or less I'm the trades guy. I'm the guy that would travel from place to place or location to location, dropping resources off, taking requests, and when I find something someone's looking for, I find a way to get it, what you're looking for, back to you. I think that's what I am. I'm just I'm a traveling tradesman, you know? And I got a bunch of stuff, and I trade between each town and what you're looking for and what you need. And if you're looking for something, you go, hey, go ask the trade guy, or, you know, the trade master, I think they're called. I don't know. But anyway, I think that's what I would be in a end the world society type of way. Is my greatest function to society would be the ability to survive the harsh elements in order to get things from one place to another. I'm a transporter. I like to deliver. I like to drive. But if I don't have a car, I mean, a horse and carriage, It's why we like driving. We can go faster because we're not waiting for the fucking grass-eating, shit fucking spewing fucking animals to drag our asses down, you know? We got these beautiful cars. I mean, you got to think that back in our our genetic memory, we'd be riding on carts with horses or oxen. Or if you got a light load, you're just traveling with your horse at a walking speed, but see, you're not walking, so it's not that bad. You try to walk 20 miles? Yeah, no. Horse? Probably easily. As long as your horse doesn't break an ankle, which is why you're gonna be taking good care of that horse. Oh yeah, you don't take good care of your horse, you make your horse go through a bad area and break its leg, you might get killed in the process too. God forbid that thing gets scared, it'll throw you off. People bitch about cars not being safe. Oh, ride a horse. Ah! Feel safe. That's what happened to Superman. Ah, everyone that played Superman, they all got paralyzed or dead in one way or another, right? It's like it's like you got the Superman curse and you got the Joker curse. He was an excellent Joker, though. Gotta say, of all the Jokers I saw, I never saw a Joker quite like that. It was definitely the Joker you would think of. I think that's like, he was the perfect embodiment of the Joker. It's that mad, crazy, don't give a fuck if I live or die. Just here to cause chaos. And show people the truth. In the most horrible fucking way. And you got your Dark Knight, the Savior. I see why a lot of people like that hero book. Wasn't my hero. You want to know who my hero was? Want to know who my hero was? My comic book hero? Wolverine. Well, that was my comic book hero. I loved Wolverine. A heel, long life. Yup. Even with the explanation of where the claws came from is that he literally shoots bones out, bone claws out. That's kind of cool. Though weak, still cool. Yeah, that was my superhero. It was Wolverine. It was like the only reason I ever watched whatever it was. I always watched it for the Wolverine. I guess if whatever comic books I actually enjoyed were the Wolverine. I mean, you had Spider-Man, but I didn't like Spider-Man all that much. Definitely a Wolverine fan. Alright, well, I'm going to work. This is all you get. You get a ramble. Enjoy this snowy effing day. Am I going to do my job? Some of it. As much as I can.